Paano nga ba makakuha ng Payment Reference Number or PRN sa SSS Online? Kung yan ang katanungan mo, panoorin lamang ang video na ito dahil may tuturo akong dalawang paraan kung paano makuha ang PRN. Unang gagawin, mag-login lamang sa www.sss.gov.ph. I-click lang ang I'm not a robot and click submit. Log in as a member, so i-click lamang po itong member tab. Then, use your login details, your user ID and password. Pero kung wala ka pang SSS online account, I have a separate tutorial video. I will just link the video sa itaas na bahagi ng video ito. Now that you're in your account, SSS online account, makikita mo ang Payment Reference Number or PRN tab. I-click lamang yan at i-click ang Generate PRN. Dito, click your member type. If you are an OFW or a voluntary member, just choose any of those from the options. Here also you can find the applicable period. So from specific month kung saan nyo pwede, kung anong month nyo babayaran as well. And if you're set to pay for a month, you can just put here from April 2021 to April 2021. But in my case, I wanted to pay for a quarterly. This is the second quarter of this year. So from April 2021 to July or June 2021, and then select the contribution premium. The maximum is 3,250 and the minimum amount for the contribution is 390 na po this year. And then you can see the total amount right away. It is computer generated. And then click na lamang po yung submit request, and this will prompt. I-click lamang po ang OK. And here you can see the summary, your payment reference number, and the amount that you're gonna pay. And you need to print the statement of account or the SOA for 2 copies. At dalhin lamang po sa pinakamalapit na SSS branch. Or you can also pay in the bayad centers available near you. Okay, to print it, you can simply click download. If you have a printer, print it right away. And it looks like this. And this is the second way para makakuha ng payment reference number. Download lamang ang SSS mobile application sa iyong cellphone at mag-login gamit ang iyong user ID at password. Dito makikita yung generate PRN. Same lang po ang process.